Today we are going to talk about earthquake and tsunami.
What is happening? The road is shaking.
We need to stop the car now.
Oh, the road is breaking.
Luckily, we managed to stop our car.
Oh, the car is falling into the hole.
What is happening?
I think it is earthquake.
Earthquake? What is that?
Follow me. Let me explain to you. The Earth's surface have 20 plates which looks like a puzzle. These plates keep moving, making the Earth continuously move.
But I don't feel the moving or the shaking on the ground.
Because the plates move very slow.
Oh, I see. That's why I cannot feel it. What happens when the plates keep moving?
The plates tend to bump to each other or slip from its original location.
Is that dangerous?
Of course it is dangerous. The accident will release forces. Usually small force where we don't feel it. The only problem is if the force is big after the accident.
What happens if the force is big?
That is when we feel the shaking in the ground.
Oh, breaking on the road, like today.
Yes, you are right. If the plates accident happens in the land, we call it earthquake. And if it's happened under the water, we call it tsunami.
Earthquake and tsunami are one of the dangerous nature disaster.
When earthquake or tsunami happens, the people are in danger, right?
Yes, a lot of people are injured or died when it happens.
Is there a way to detect that an earthquake or tsunami is coming? So that we can take precaution.
Yes, the scientists have developed a device to detect the incident. It is called seismometer or seismograph, which record the ground movement.
Hope you understand what is earthquake and tsunami now. Make every day as a meaningful day.